Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to that Mustang kit. As promised in last video, we will be doing a taillight exchange replacement. As you guys can see, these are kind of like, I sanded them down, wet sanded, and they're like foggy and scratched up. I thought it would fix it, but it ruined it. So we're getting a steal today. We're getting brand new taillights for $30. We're gonna pick them up in the next 2 hours. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these, and then I'll list them up for sale like $30, so I'll make my money back. So let's get into this video. All right, you guys, I know the trunk is disgusting. It has like parts and all my stuff in it. So let's go ahead and open the trunk. You'll see one screw up here, there's one down there and one down there, so we're gonna go ahead and remove them. Mine were finger loose, but I do believe they're 10 millimeters, but mine were like really loose, which is not a bad thing. It saves me time. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna pop off one. I'll just lay it on the ground. I usually have a tray to put my bolts in, but I guess not today. And my mat here, my carpet was already peeled back, so that saved me some time. But you guys might have to move some carpet to get to these screws, these nuts. These nuts. But yeah, hey, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm really excited for the new lights, because these ones look old and nasty and they just don't look appealing. So, and guys, I've never done this before, so I'm just going off by ear on how to do this. Obviously we have to plug that clip, but we're going to be using the old wire harness, so I'm not going to be unplugging any wires. I'm going to just pop out the bulbs if I can, and then reuse those when I get the new lights. Okay, this one's coming out. Alright, so we got 3. Let's see if we can get it out. I might need a pry tool or something. Looks like something's stuck. That's all the screws I can see. I'm gonna try to push them with the screws. I'm gonna try to use the screws and push them outwards. Nope. I might need a pry tool. Hopefully there's not one hidden back there that I can't see. I don't think there is. But okay, guys, I'm gonna go get a pry tool. We'll be back. All I did was come here and just kind of jiggle this a little bit, and then it popped right out. Oh, perfect. All right, so there we go. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna unplug these. I'll put my screwdriver back. Let me mark which ones are here. So how am I gonna do this? Are they different numbers I can go by? Okay, I'm gonna just mark 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let me get a marker. Oh, right here. Okay. All right, let me just get a marker. We'll make this one on the outside of the right. We'll make this number 1. We'll make this one number 2, and this one number 3. So 2. So facing the car this way, this plug goes to the outer right. Number 1, number 2 is the middle, number 3 is the one to the left. That way we know. Look how everything is handy right there. So we're gonna go ahead, twist them out, and then one of these bulbs need to be changed, I think. So this is a positive. Yeah, I think. Ew, what the hell is that? 2 and 3. All right, there we go. Oops, there's one. Oops, there's one down here I didn't see. I think that's a reverse bulb. I think you gotta turn this to the right. Hold on. I really need to invest in a tripod, so if you guys can donate, that would help me out so much. There we go. All right, that's one done. Let's go ahead and get to the next side. Okay, you guys, so this side was tight except for this top one, but this bottom one I need a socket for. So we're gonna go ahead. It's an 11. Shit, it won't fit. All right, hold on. I think I have a plan. Okay, so I slipped the socket over the nut, and then I sort of put in the ratchet, and I got it loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, and then we'll come right back. All right, I got them loose. I can loosen up my hand now. And then we'll go ahead and label the bulbs and connectors on this side as well, so when we put in the new lights, we know exactly where the bulbs go. Because on these tail lights, there's turn signals, 2 turn signals, brake lights, reverse lights, so it's important to know. And I don't know why the connector's not labeled in the first place, but there we go. We got one off. This one. And then after this, we got one more. So we'll come back after we do the last one. Okay, you guys, so we got all the screws out. I'm gonna go ahead, take a little flathead, and then I usually, on the last light, I usually pry it up here. Got little clicks, and then this corner. Shit. This car is being repainted, so I don't really care about the scratching it, but you guys should be cautious on that. But let's try right here. Yeah, there we go. And then do right here. It's this side, so I'm gonna go ahead and pry it off. It's like right here that's stopping it. There we go. Got it. Just gotta pry from the bottom. So I gotta go out, so I'll post this video when I'm back home. We're gonna label 1, 2, and 3, and then we're done. So where's my marker? So right again on the left side, it's gonna be 1 on this side. I'm sorry, 1, 2, and then 3. So on the left side, it's gonna be 1, middle 2, right side 3 on the for the light on the left side of the car. So let's go ahead and put everything back, and then we'll be back shortly. And donate if you can, link in my bio. It will help me do more projects like this a lot. So thank you guys, I love you, and stay tuned for the installation on the new taillights, which will be in this video. Okay, you guys, so me and Mrs. Loco, we put in the new taillights, and they look so good, so clear, brand new. So we're gonna go ahead and list the old ones up for sale. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We out.